Hey everyone, so it's Sophie again, and I'm back with a new video, and this one is on Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, it's different from the other Microsoft softwares because there's obviously a grid, and there are letters up here and numbers down here. So what we're calling these is up here, all the letters are rows, all the letters are columns, and all the numbers are rows. So remember that. So row are letters, and columns are um, rows are numbers and columns are letters. Other than this grid though, we see that there's the same ribbon with tabs up here, except there's a home tab, a insert, a page layout, a formula, a data, a review, and view tabs instead of the other ones. So each of these are called cells. So this cell would be called A1. So what we're going to do is I'm going to write a employee payroll. So we're gonna merge these cells. I'm gonna go here so we can create a title. So just right about here, and there is a merge and center button right here. So we're gonna go there, and this is just going to merge the cells together. So it becomes one cell. And then it also, when you want to go type in words, it will put it in the center. So let's write that. Employee payroll. And there's step one. Alright, so now I'm going to go to cell A3, and I'm going to type in a word. So let's make this one employee numbers. Now, as you notice when you go here, the numbers is in the cell B3 while the employee is in A3. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go here, and as you see, the cursor changes. You're going to click on that and change the width of A to fit it all, so that way this whole section is A3 and not split in half. So we're going to go there, and now we're going to type in some numbers for the employee numbers. So this is obviously going to change on depending on what you are doing your spreadsheet on, but I'm just going to do it simply like this, just to be quick and easy. And there we go. So I'm just going to keep mine there. Now the cool thing is, just like Word or any other Microsoft PowerPoint, anything like that, we're going to highlight these. Oops, sorry. I'm going to press the undo button, and I'm going to change this here. So if you come up here, it's called the formula bar, as you see. I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to change the color of it to red. So there you go. It shows here, and now it's red. I'm going to do that with all of my headings, but for now we're just going to keep it here. And I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to do a borders. And so going to insert, I believe it's here. Sorry, I apologize, it is not here. It is we're going to forget about that. So now I'm going to add another one. So we're going to do the same thing, and I'm going to go to C3, and I'm going to say employee hours per week. And same thing as the other one, we're going to come up here, and we're going to change the width so that way nothing comes up. And also, if you guys come here, sometimes you'll see numbers, like the pound key sign, and that just means that the cell was not big enough for your information. So now I'm going to write hours that each person has gone, and we're just going to continue with this. And now, just like the other one, I'm going to change the font color to red for this, so doing the same process as before. Now I'm going to make one last column, and this is E. And I'm going to say the employee pay per week. And again, you're going to want to change the width of it to fit the necessary room. And so now I'm going to put it, so I'm going to put, I'm going to say $12, $12, 24, 24, and just continue with this all the way down. So and you're going to want to use the $sign up here to make sure that the computer knows what you're doing, because otherwise it will not work. And now let's say we're going to go back to a row, and we're going to go to 9. And I'm going to go, and I'm going to write the total pay. Actually, I'm going to, yeah. So now we're going to come here, and there's a really cool thing. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go A4, and then I'm going to use the column sign and go to E4 to E8. Oops. Now going to the formulas tab, you may not have this, but if you look for the auto sum button, I'm going to click that, and I'm going to go here. So I'm going to go here, and you're going to want to highlight even the cell that you want the total to be in, and click auto sum. So there's your total pay, is $236. So I want this to be very prominent, so I'm going to change all of the stuff. So I'm going to go back and switch that. So another thing that you can do is I'm going to show you. So you go equal, and then you go sum, and then you're going to choose cells that it applies to. So E4 to E8. And you're going to want to make sure that there's a space between the sum and the E4. And then you're going to go enter, and it's going to give you the total. So there we are. This is a very simple payroll. I'm going to also do the total hours per week just to show you guys again. So total hours per week. And again, same thing as before, you are going to want to extend the width. And I'm going to do the same thing here. So equal sign, which is just going to tell the computer that you want to do this. Sum, which is the sum. And then again with the cells, so C4 to C8. Alright, so now you see, I forgot to add the cell where I want it to go. So it says here, and it says we found a typo. So a lot of the time this is actually going to correct your mistake, as you see it like it did, and it puts it right here. So this is the total hours per week. So yes, and then there's the total pay. And that is all that I'm going to show you guys, and I hope that this helped a lot. And I'll see you later. Bye!